transmission fluid today. First step, get it up on 4 jacks as high as you can so you can squeeze under there while making the car as level as you can. There are plenty of instructions online on how to put it up on 4 jacks, but take your time and be safe, of course. First step is always to remove the refill plug. Make sure you can get that out, because if you can't after you drain, you are screwed. Where is it? It's up there. It's square. It's a weird square bolt. I used a large size of pliers. Was gentle and careful. Make sure not to strip it. With a little bit of some force, it came right loose. And then we will hit the drain plug now that the refill is out. This is what the refill plug looks like. It's obviously dirty. I will clean it before it goes back, but this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to let the fluid drip for quite a while. Make sure everything's out. I have cleaned my plug. Luckily there wasn't too much on there. I didn't see much like shavings or anything like that on the magnet. Looked pretty good. And then to refill it, obviously you can't put a funnel through there, so you have to pump it. This is the transmission fluid I'm doing. The internet says this is the best one, so let's see how it goes. I found it easiest to put the hose in the intake hole first and then attach to the pump so they're nice and deep. So now just 2 quarts. Alright, got that all done. Not too bad, especially if you take your time. Key points are 24 to remove the drain. I did not have the proper tool for the square refill plug. This works just fine with some care. Nice and long, so I had pretty good torque, but came right off. No slip, no strip. I used one of these things to refill. The plug started to overflow right at about 2 quarts exactly. Of course, when threading both plugs back in, I did finger tight as far as I could go, because last thing I want to do is cross thread that. Snug them nice and tight, no need to get crazy, but of course, good tightness. There's the oil, looks very dirty. There's a little bit of the new oil mixed in that has dripped out of there, but overall, I think the hardest part are removing the refill plug, using care with that, and of course getting the hose lined up and in there deep, and not having it fall on your face, which I was extra careful about. And then of course getting the car on all 4 jacks. Always use caution there, but getting it as high as you can, giving yourself more room is good. But super easy. I'm excited to feel how it feels.
idea how old the previous oil was or what it was, but I really felt a difference in first and third gear shift, especially at high RPM, so happy with that. Hopefully it'll get a little bit better with some more miles, but that was a nice drive. So happy I finally got that done. Probably should have done it sooner, but one thing at a time and keep going. Thank you.